We are still in Canary Islands. The place is called Masca. I'm so damn smart, I never listen to anybody ever. Not to my stockbroker, not to my psychiatrist. I mean, I'm a doctor. The only people I listen to is my karate black belt wife. Anyhow, I'm glad I listened this time. My hostel guy told me visit Masca, and this is miracle of nature. You have to get here somehow, swim, walk, crawl, whatever. The third most visited place on the island, very accessible, and it doesn't cost you a dime. If this were United States, there would be a cable car here or a zip line. There would be a bunch of restaurants on top. So before this happens, get here. This is one of those places that should be on everybody's pint list. I'm not talking about bucket list, pint list. This is a beautiful, beautiful place.
Belgium. Oh. Nederlands?
No.
Le français. Yes.
As a former financial advisor, here are the top 3 things I would look for.
Calls, do not speak to them directly. Compensation only takes under a minute, and hear this, it's free. Your